Check this out, guys. This is the craziest car you will ever see. Promise you. Thank you, Frank. It's the Bugatti Vision GT. Take a look at this. This car was designed for the game Gran Turismo, and it came out just before the Chiron. These are safety door latches. This car is made for the track, so in case something happens, they pull this and the whole door comes off. Come around here. Check out these lights. This here goes all the way through to the front. It's completely open, and it means that the door here is half cut off. It's just a little one. Come and look at this. We're going inside for the very first time. Take a look at this. One seat inside, no room for a passenger. It's completely stripped down for the track. Okay, wow. Can't believe I'm sitting in this thing. What happens is there's a camera on the left, a camera for the rear, and a camera on the right. But it goes all into one panoramic view, so it's not cut off into 3 cameras. Look at the steering wheel here, fully cut off. I've never seen this in a car before, this setup. It's got a brand new engine in it, W16, 8 litre, with around 1500 horsepower. We've been rained out. It came down so quickly. What we're going to do is go track down the car once it's left more time, go spend some time with the owner and get the keys and do what we wanted to do today, which is turn it on, look inside and show you around the car and maybe drive it. Maybe. Let's see what we can do.